How to change email on Priceline app. To change your email address on the Priceline app, follow these steps. Launch the app on your device and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or a profile icon, in the top right or bottom navigation bar. Select Account Settings or a similar option. Look for the section labeled Email Address or Contact Information. Tap on the email field and enter your new email address. After entering the new email address, tap Save or Update to confirm the change. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from Priceline. Click the link in the email to complete the update. If you cannot locate these settings or run into issues, you can contact Priceline customer support directly for assistance. Thanks for watching.